Assalamu Walaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put text on top of table in Microsoft PowerPoint. Without further ado, let's get started. At first, you have to click new slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to insert menu and insert a table. There are two ways to put text on top of table. First way to select this first cell, then right click it and merge cell. You can write anything to top of table. Select this text and align to middle. Here you can see I put text on top of table. There are another way to put text on top of table. Firstly go insert menu, then go shape option, then create a text box. Write anything to text box and middle it. You can see I put text top of table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.